Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Roblox Learn Ducky head. To begin your adventure, first, launch the official Roblox Learn experience game on the Roblox platform. This unique experience is designed to offer both fun and educational content, along with exciting free items like our special Ducky. Get ready to explore a vibrant map and dive into several engaging portal games to earn your reward. Your main quest is to find a total of 30 yellow rubber ducky heads. Start by searching the main map for the first 10. These can be cleverly hidden in various locations, such as on top of palm trees, near waterfalls, or tucked away in corners. Keep your ears open for a distinct squeaky sound. It confirms you've successfully collected one of these elusive items. After finding the initial 10 ducks, you'll need to enter the portal games scattered throughout the experience. Each of these portals acts as a minute challenge, often requiring a specific password to gain access and unlock a new ducky. There are 20 more ducky heads waiting for you inside these unique learning experiences, so be sure to solve each puzzle to collect them all. Congratulations! Once you have successfully collected all 30 ducky heads, make your way back to the central shrine. This mysterious structure will now be activated, allowing you to interact with it. Simply press the designated button or key, and your brand new Roblox Learn Ducky Head accessory will be added directly to your Roblox inventory. Enjoy your well-earned reward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.